Hey, what's up to everybody out there watching, man? If you new, I appreciate the view, and if you coming back, I appreciate that too. Hey man, this time we at a place called Potbelly Sandwiches, man. It's located in St. Petersburg, Florida. We had them signed up for their reward program a little while ago, and they be sending exclusive deals and stuff like that for the reward members. So they had to end up sending us a buy one get one sandwich. So we about to get the day started, man, with this place right here. We gonna start off here, but we gonna end up shooting over to Tampa, and we got a couple places over there we want to check out. Of course, I had to come get the deal, you know what I'm saying? The buy one get one. We gonna be able to grab about 2 sandwiches for about $10. We ain't gonna eat them here. We gonna probably end up taking them out by the water, and we gonna eat them there. We'll show some pictures and stuff like that. I'm not no pictures. Video. Hey, look, man, I'm still getting used to the vlogging. This already like take 7 right here, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just bear with me. As I was trying to say, we gonna end up grabbing the sandwiches, and then we gonna take them by the water and eat. Yo, what's up, y'all? We end up grabbing the smash, man. We done got to the little place we was talking about. It's about a 10-minute drive away from the restaurant we just left. If you going from St. Pete over to Tampa, they got a Gandy bridge that you could take. It's called a Gandy, G-A-N-D-Y, and this is like a little stop along, like before you actually get over into Tampa. And we used to love coming out here for years, man. Unfortunately, like these poles right here, they put these poles. You used to be able to like pull your car up in like these little spots right here and kind of face the water. But at some point, man, they just end up putting these posts up here, and you can't do that no more. I don't like to assume, but I'm assuming because the water done rose, you know what I'm saying? Like the water ain't used to be this high over here. But anyway, though, man, I ain't gonna keep on talking, man. We finna get ready to show the food. We just gonna sit out here for a little bit before we go over to Tampa. I don't think this got a specific name to it or anything like that. Just know that if you coming from Tampa over to St. Pete or vice versa, and you taking the Gandy Bridge way, they got like little spots along on each side where you could stop. So yeah, man, we gonna check back in once we unravel the food.
Okay, hurry up. Open that thing on up.
Open it up.
You say that's what he said? Okay, y'all. So, these are the sandwiches. I got a sandwich called a reg. You know, I really like I think it's cut.
For some reason they look cut, just in case
they ain't go all they ain't go all through.
Okay, yeah.
All the way
they
through.
ain't do all thorough cut.
Right. But I'm a little greedy. I like all the meats.
You like all the meat? Hey, man,
listen, we not talking about that meat. But yeah, mine got like turkey, ham, bacon, of course the little works on it. He got
a Cubano.
Looks very tasty. He done opened that thing up for y'all. Pause. Okay, y'all, just want to give y'all a quick quick description of, I think his got like pulled pork on it and ham,
yeah, some pickles and some mayo.
So it look tasty. We'll give y'all, you know, when we come back after we smash this, and let y'all know what we think of the burgers. Oh shit!
Not the burger.
Not the burger.
Yeah,
I think I got burgers on my mind, y'all.
You want to be a star, but you ain't got what it take to be a star.
Okay, well, I tell you what.
First
we'll be back with these.
Look, you don't know what the fuck you even eating. Hey, look, I'm dripping sweating, so I ain't got time for you to be fucking up.
Okay, y'all, we out. Yeah.
Yo, what's up, y'all? We done got done eating our sandwiches, man. They both was real good. My Cuban was pretty good, but damn, boy, I ain't gonna lie. She got the wreck, I think her sandwich was called. That one was better, you know what I'm saying? Don't tell her, because she already thinks she be doing it up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, her sandwich was better. Just a quick little, you know what I'm saying, sauce for y'all real quick. Like I was saying, they got the rewards program, you know what I'm saying? And then like I said, they be having the BOGOs and stuff like that. But when you sign up, they have a thing to where, like, if you sign up for their reward program, after your first purchase, they'll give you a free sandwich. So to be honest, man, what I did, I just doubled up on it. You know what I'm saying? So I signed up for the program. I waited until they sent me a buy one, get one in my email. So I went and got the buy one, get one. And then by me making that purchase, then they end up giving me my free sandwich. So, hey, you know what I'm saying? If you live by your Potbelly subs, yeah, go get that there for the cheap to get a Potbelly. But is you recording me, ma'am? Oh. But yeah, though, man, we finna get ready to go in here. We finna sit at the bar. As you can see, this place called the Brick House Tavern. Man, they got all kind of type of deals in here, you know what I'm saying? They got weekly specials every day of the week, I think, except Saturday. And then they also be having, like, when it's baseball season, they got specials. Football season, same thing as well. And then they got a happy hour Monday through Friday, 3 through 6. We probably about to sit at the bar and we gonna check back in, man, once we get our drinks. Yo, what's up, y'all? We done end up getting a couple seats at the bar. It's nice in the inside. I'll show y'all just a small little glimpse of what the inside look like. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all these daily specials they got. And we here on the Wednesday, so we end up trying the $3 whales they got. And that's what they looking like right there. I got a vodka and pineapple. She got a vodka and cranberry juice. And like I said, they do have a happy hour in here. I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. Okay, here go the happy hour right here. Like I say, Monday through Friday, 3 through 6. They got some food and they got some drink specials. Yeah, so as usual, we just at the bar just cooling it, man. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what the inside look like. If you like sports, man, they got a bunch of TVs and stuff like that in here. And then they also got an outside area as well. It was kind of hot earlier, you know what I'm saying, but it done chilled out just a little bit. So it's feeling pretty good right now, but it is Florida, so you don't ever know, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna drink a little while longer, man, and we gonna end up checking back in, man, once we get another round or we leave. What's going on with y'all, man? Hey, we on some straight random shit right now. After we end up leaving the place, the Brick House, you know what I'm saying, where we was at the bar drinking and shit like that, we end up going to another place, you know what I'm saying, called Greedy Lee's. That's located in Tampa, Florida too. But like the whole parking situation was crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit real small. It was barely like really any parking, man, you know what I'm saying? So that we had to figure that shit out. And then the place is fairly small. My bad for the background noise, man, but we just needed to stop real quick and shit so we can at least try to get like some video of the food. And we end up going inside it was real small in the inside. Move back, move your little thick ass hand out the way, bro. I'm trying to get the smash. Anyway, yeah, matter of fact, a quick side note, right? I'm in there getting some sodas, right? I'm in the gas station getting some sodas. Some just tell me to look outside. I look outside, right? She looking guilty than a bitch. Yeah, she looking guilty as fuck. Her ass, so I come outside, she already out here nibbling. Ain't even wait on me, you know what I'm saying?
To make sure it was safe.
Man, look, hey, fuck me, fuck the content. Y'all catch ass nibbling, looking guilty as fuck. But anyway, man, the place was real small. I ain't gonna lie, man, it was real hot in there. I hope the shit good because they did have a bunch of people who was going in there, you know what I'm saying? But they also was out of a lot of shit, man. So, you know, on Wednesdays, they have a deal. I guess all of their dinners is like $10.99, but they was out of a bunch of shit, you know what I'm saying? They ain't have no ribs. And in fact, the only thing they had was chicken and sausage. It was out of a bunch of their sides and shit, like macaroni and greens and yeah, what do you say? What do you say? They saw enough of that shit, huh? But yeah, man, we just end up, you know what I'm saying, grabbing that food. We stopped at a random gas station because we had came to grab something to drink and shit like that. It ain't nowhere to sit down and eat inside the place. It ain't no chairs or any type of indoor or outdoor seating or no shit like that. So we just grabbed the food. I actually, man, got to get back to my city, man. I got some important shit I got to do. But we were trying to make at least a little bit of content for the day. I may feel like maybe coming, like, you know what I'm saying, back out and doing some more shit after I get done doing a couple errands and shit. But I don't know, you feel me? It just all depends, you know what I'm saying? So if we end up, you know what I'm saying, doing some more shit, you know what I'm saying, we gonna come back on here and add a little bit more content on. If not, y'all know the usual, man. For the, you know, 8.5 people watching on this bitch, I appreciate y'all showing support to the channel. I'm glad for them few people that at least took the time to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all at least giving it a little bit of views, so somebody watching. So shit, to the people out there watching, man, I appreciate that. Yeah, my bad, y'all, man. One quick side note. If it is over for the night, we'll at least let y'all know what the food and shit like that was about on the next video. And I told y'all I had to end up catching her ass out here nibbling. She ended up getting a big ass stain on her shirt. Yeah, I'm glad. I hear motherfucking being greedy. Yeah, can't wait for me. Caught her ass nibbling. And yeah, I got a big ass stain on her shirt. You feel me? So yeah, I'm glad. But yeah, though, man, we finna log back off this thing. And again, if we don't come back out for the night, man, we'll catch y'all next time.